Hello and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika Dang, your product expert, and today I'm going to tell you something about direct cool refrigerators. What you should know while picking your direct cool refrigerator and more. Now, buying a refrigerator is not as simple as it sounds. Especially with new features and functions coming in almost every day, it can become really confusing. However, there are a list of essentials or a must check that you should know how to make the right choice for you and your family. Here, I shall walk you through the features of a direct cool refrigerator. If you're looking for a refrigerator for a family of 1 to 2 members, that is a refrigerator between 150 to 300 liters with great energy savings. Direct cool fits your type. As the capacity increases, power consumption will generally also go up. Purchasing a higher capacity model, here's a way to understand your energy savings. There is a standardized system to help you with this called the EER or BEE rating, or commonly known as the star rating. Higher the number of stars, lower the power consumption. Typical savings on power bills range from 300 rupees to 1800 rupees per year when we move from 1 to 5-star models respectively. Direct cool refrigerators are more efficient in terms of its star rating, or simply put, are more energy efficient. Another feature that makes direct cool refrigerators more energy efficient is the fact that they use natural convection. This means you get instant and better cooling even if your house suffers with frequent electricity outages or fluctuations. All direct cool refrigerators come with a freezing compartment and a vegetable drawer. Almost all fridges offer a dedicated space for storing vegetables. Since the size varies, go for the highest one if you plan to stock up on vegetables on a weekly basis. Not only should your refrigerator be an efficient machine to help you functionally, it should also help you increase the aesthetic appeal of the surrounding it is kept in. These direct cool refrigerators are easy on the eyes and come in multiple designs, colors and patterns to match your home decor. There is a list of features that one can expect in these refrigerators. You have the choice between wired shelves, and some even come with toughened glass shelves. Plastic is passé. Most refrigerators above 230-liter capacity come with toughened glass shelves. This means that they're more durable and can take more weight. Some direct cools are designed with base drawers, built-in stabilizer or digital inverter compressor to match your needs. For example, built-in stabilizers would suit people with frequent voltage fluctuations, and digital inverter compressor is more silent and better in terms of cost and energy efficiency. There you go. In a nutshell, that's all you need to know about a direct cool to make sure that you're making the right choice by getting one for yourself. Make this right choice the smart one by buying it without any second thoughts on Flipkart. Because here, you get options of easy product exchange, no-cost EMIs, quick delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo, and a short brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.